Okay, I have already created a sequence diagram in Visio. As you can see, I will just explain it to you what it is. Let me explain it to you. If you have not, go to the software database and you can select the UML for the sequence, metric or USA, whatever you want. As you can see, you can get it here. This is the object lifeline. In a sequence diagram, there are a lot of different objects, and the objects has lifeline. It moves from the top to the bottom. That is the lifeline. As you can see, this is a blue bar. This is known as the activation bar, and this is the message, and this is anything that is the dash line, that is called the reply message. That's what is being used here. And this is using the updating the same system, so it actually is used this way. And this is again the constant we have not used it here. And this is for the nodes, again the nodes, and these are the things that I have used in the diagram, and I will be explaining it to you how it works. And you have to just drag the object like that, and that's it. And from, if you want to drag it two objects like that, and then you want to move the message from here, and if you want to return the message, it is like here. If you want to add the activation bar, you can bring it here, like as if it is here, because it is a little bit bigger. I want to show it to you. That's it. This is how you add the activation bar. Okay, now what's happening is the flow happens from the top to the bottom. So the top to the bottom is represented as time. So as the time goes on, from the top to the bottom, the things happen. So this is the lifeline, and also is called a flow of the time. And let's say the person actually, now let's go back to the diagram. As we can see, this is the actor. As you can see, the sequence diagram for online airline ticketing system. The user is basically trying to search for the online air ticketing system, and this is what is going to happen, is that the person searches for the web on the for the flight, that he goes to the online, the sequence, he goes to the online system of the, and he tries to search, and the result is returned. However, whether he likes the price of the ticket and the date of the ticket, whether it's available or not available, he keeps on trying till he finds out the correct match. And then once he has got, he selects the flight details, and he wants to know whether the flight, when the flight is flying, and what is the, after once he has known the price and every details what he is interested, he selects the flight details. And once he has selected the flight details, he fills up the form. The form is there with the name and address and email and phone and etc., many other things. And what happens is that he fills the form, and it is online, it goes into online, the details goes. After filling the form, the online system asks to verify the phone number and the email address entered in the form by the user, because the system wants to know whether the user has entered the correct email and the phone number. Once the person does the confirmation by the SMS and email, the system knows that the email and the phone number is perfect. It could have been like a loop also here, but I would have not put it here. Until and unless the system doesn't verify, it will keep on asking anyway. So that's being done. So the system actually sends the verify the phone number, confirms the verification by SMS and email. That the user has already actually sent an SMS that is stating that this person actually using the same number. And once that being done, verification has been done, and the system again sends back the email has been that your sends an SMS to the phone number and email that they have been, both of them have been verified. The system asks for the payment. Now The payment can be by the credit card or the PayPal, whatever you want to. Verification, once the person makes the payment by the credit card or PayPal, the verification goes to the card has to be verified, so it goes to the outside credit card verification system. Okay, and whatever the card is verified and it is returned, once the card is verified and returned, that the card is valid. What happens is that the seat is reserved for that person, and the seat is updated by the airlines for the on system that the one of the seat has been sold. So the seat gets updated, and the email is sent to the buyer or to the client or to the flyer, and that's the end of it. As you can see, this is how the sequence diagram is created, and this is how it should be done. And if you want to add some notes, you could click here and add some notes. As you can see, click here and add some notes like that, or you can drag it and add some notes here and comments, whatever you want. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.